Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a full face look using cream and liquid products. I shared a video, hopefully it'll be up before this, where I did mostly all powders, but today I wanted to do creams because I can actually wear both creams and liquids, but in the summer months, I definitely have to do more powders because I have oily skin. And by the way, I'm going to film a video too on prepping your skin, and I'm going to talk about finishing powders, setting powders, why your foundation could be separating. Stay tuned for that video. So let's get into it. Now, I already did my concealer just to save a little bit of time because we've already seen me do that a lot. Today, I'm going to go in with this foundation. I love this. Now, I will say this. If you have oily skin, you're going to like this more. So I would say this is not going to be for dry skin. But you can look for a cream foundation, or you can look for one that's really dewy. This one I feel like is really nice for if you have dry skin or oily skin. It's great. It's from Laura Mercier. It's the Flawless Lumiere. I love this. Another one that's great is this one. It's really, really good if you have dry skin. Oily skin, I have to be careful wearing this one, but if you have dry skin, I think you'll love it. This one is from Guerlain, and it's the Lingerie Depot. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. Another one, the Anastasia Luminous. This one is fabulous. I'm getting low, as you can see. This one honestly is a dupe for the Anastasia one. This one, it's got some oils in there. You can see that because it's been sitting there. I haven't used this in a while. And this is the Prism Libre. Another one is this one from Gucci. This one is, I don't know if they have two of them, so I'll tell you exactly which one this is. This is the Fluid de Beautiful Fini Natural. That's what it says, okay? So I don't know if they have more than one, but this was the first one that they came out with. I would not repurchase this. I have to get stuff that's more for like oily or dry, you know what I mean? Like I could use it with my oily skin. The Rare Beauty, if you have dry skin, I think you like this dry, normal combo skin. And then this one from It Cosmetics, Your Skin But Better. Let's get into it. So I'm going to apply this. And I think I'm actually going to apply, I still have these nails on. You're going to see them a lot of videos because I film them kind of around the same time. They're driving me nuts. I keep saying that. I don't know how people do it with these long nails. They're driving me freaking crazy. But anyways, so I'm going to go in here and apply this. Now, here's something that I wish I would have done now that I had this for a little bit. This is what I wish would have been different. I wish I would have put the powder here and put the foundation here. Because here's the thing. That's nice that it covers it up, so you're not getting the powder in there. That's nice, very nice. But I wish I would have done the opposite, because see, when I flip it over, if I get a brush or whatever, then you can see that I've gotten foundation in there. So, good idea, but not. Should have been the opposite in my opinion. And even if I use a brush, it's the same thing. But I want to go in here and I want to use this sponge and put this on because I know that I'm going to get more of a skin-like look. I really like this. I also like that Danessa Myricks powder balm. I really like it. I'll have to do a video on me and how I use it, because I feel like some people don't know how to use it right. And if you know how to use it right, you'll love it, because it is meant for if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, then I would say no. Now, it has a powder in here, but it doesn't really set my makeup. It's more of a finishing powder, so we're going to save that. I will put that on. It's really nice, has a nice finish, but it's mostly a finishing powder. I wish it would have been a setting powder, but I still love that. We're going to use the Merit. So I'm going to put it on like this. Look how light this is. Now, they have different colors. So I just applied there. I'll put a little bit here and here. This is very light to this particular color. I'll tell you which color it is. It is in the color Quince. But I like it. I'm going for more of a lighter bronzer look lately. I'm just taking my BK Beauty foundation brush. But I'm liking a lighter look as far as bronzer lately. I feel like I was going kind of dark, and I'm liking this, so I'm okay with it. I have so many choices for blush, but I haven't done this in a while, so we're going to do it. I am going to go in, and I'm going to use my Daniel Sandler blushes. I'm going to use 2 of them today. I'm going to use Caress and Rose Glow. So I'm going to mix them together. Shake it up really good. These are still my original. Put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to show you in a second. See that? I just like to put it on the back of my hand. I can wipe it off, but I like to do that to kind of mix it. Then I will take it and I'll tap it on a towel I have on my lap just a little bit, because I'm telling you, you will get color, as you can see. Sorry, I'm leaning over so much. I need to have my mirror. So I'm looking in this mirror, and I'm kind of moved over today. Kind of got a little sloppy there with this brush. I'm going to fix it. I'm going to go in with that brush that I used. My bronzer, I just want to fix it a little bit. There we go. Look how pretty and glowy that is. So pretty. And if I wanted to add more, I could add more, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use some of this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just going to go in, and I'm just going to give myself a little facelift. I'm just going to lift it up a little bit there. I know I've said this before, don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's going to be okay. Trust the process. So I'm just going to tap it. I'm taking my Fit Glow Beauty brush. Sorry, I keep leaning. I don't know why I feel like I'm not straight in front of my mirror today like I usually have. I have like a big ass mirror in front of me. And I usually use that. See how that lifted my face up on that side? I told you, trust the process. Now, a lot of times I will do this after I powder, but I'm doing it before. So today we're doing it before. Loves it. Okay, I'm going to go in and use this powder because I have a lot of this. I have a lot of Laura Mercier powder. I'm going to use this. I'm getting low on my Estee Lauder, and I really like to keep that for when it's, when I'm outside and it's really humid. That's the one that I go for, but we're going to use this one today. And I'm going to powder almost everything, but not quite. I don't want to powder over my blush. I want to leave that nice and glowy. So I'm kind of powdering around it to set it, but I'm going around it like that. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the Patrick Ta powder now, which is a finishing powder. Don't have to use it, but this is really nice. I'm going to put it right there, and it just softens. That's what a finishing powder does, by the way. See that? Okay, NARS. This is my eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to put this on. Gosh, my eyes are so good right now. They were so freaking dry. They were so dry, and I've really taken good care of it. I'll be talking about that in a video. It might be before this. Like I said, I try to film a lot of videos ahead of time. It just gives me a lot of time to edit my videos and just plan ahead and everything. So I'm actually going to use some cream shadows today. Since we're doing cream, let's just do the cream shadows. I was going to do a eyeshadow look using my by Mario, but I'll keep it in here in case I want to add anything to this. But I'm just going to go in and I'm going to use some Laura Mercier Caviar Sticks. This is in the color Kiss from a Rose. I really love these. I love her caviar sticks, okay, but I really like these particular ones too. Like these rose gold. They're just so pretty. I like so much from this rose gold line. I love the blushes and the highlighters. That's what I usually wear, but I just wanted, I'm going to do something just different because I feel like I've been doing mostly powders, and I know a lot of you guys want to see some creams. So I'm just going to blend this out. I'm using the Hot and Flashy brush number 502. I wish the numbers were larger on here. That's the only complaint I have. They're great brushes. I'm just saying that because like my rougher brushes, like I have to keep getting my glass on. My rougher brushes, see the number? Like I can see that. This one, it's like I can't see that unless I get my glasses on. You know what I mean? Only complaint. Otherwise, fabulous brushes. Fabulous. So I'm going to layer quite a bit on here. Now you can, the thing about caviar sticks, you don't have to get really fancy with brushes. Honestly, you don't. You can even use your fingers if you want to. So this color that I'm going into now, this is in the color Rose Thorn. This is Rose Thorn. Isn't that pretty? Mostly on the outside there. Pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Actually, before I finish the top part of my eye, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line, and I'm going to smudge that out. This one's called Wild Rose, so I'm going to take Wild Rose and I'm going to put that right here. And I could probably normally use my finger if I didn't have these long ass nails on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my BK Beauty brush number 203. And this is how I do my makeup, by the way. I just grab stuff. And you know, like that looks like a good brush. I have so many brushes. I'm just grabbing what I have there. I have a lot of brushes. Look at that. I'm actually going to get a little bit more like right in the inner corner part there. Just a little bit. Kind of brightens up my eyes a little bit. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use, you guys are going to be like, oh my God. I know I use this color all the time, but it is my color. I have to sharpen it. I'm going to use my Barbarella Brown pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, which probably have to get a new one soon. I kind of, you know what, I wonder if I should do, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to line this in my waterline. Okay, I'm going to line this in my waterline. My tight line, I should say. This is, the top part is your tight line, the bottom part is your waterline. Let's do something a little fun. Let's do something a little fun. Let's take, I think I want to use this. I don't know what this is going to look like, but I'm going to go in with this. This is from Chanel, and this is in the color Intense Teal. Let's do teal. Let's do teal on my top part. I need to sharpen this a little bit though. So I'm going to put this on my upper lash line. I'm trying to do it so you guys can see me do it. I like that. Okay, I'm going to try to do a little wing. Wish me luck. Okay, girl. I do like a little flick. Looks pretty good. Does it look like a sad little eye when I do that? Let me see. I can fix that. I like it. I'm going to show you what I'm doing with my brows because it's really super quick. Do you see what my brows look like? Do you see how nice my brows look? That's from Grande Brow, honey. They look amazing, right? So I'm going to take my Legendary Brow and I'm going to go like this with it. Don't be scared. And then I will take it and then I just start in the center here. And then I just start to brush it on. So it just kind of fills it in. I'm trying to think what I want to do today. I did kind of a lighter look. Maybe I will do something simple on my lips. I don't know if I got the right lip liner, but we'll try. I'm going to go in with this one. This is from the Natasha Denona that just recently came out. And from her Dream Palette collection. And then I'm going to go in with this. I wonder if this will be enough. We'll find out. This is by Mario, and this is the Rose Glow. I love these. I love these. I love these. I love these. They don't flip my lips up, but I just love the colors. I have this, and I have the peachy one too. What's the peachy one? Is called Apricot Glow. But look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? And this is my final look. Very, very glowy, very soft looking. So if you have dry skin, then I would recommend a look like this. I can wear this like I said, this time of the year I can wear this. Summertime, not so much because I get a lot of glow on its own. You know what I'm saying? Because I have oily skin. But I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? It's just really, really glowy and pretty. And especially on dry skin, I think this is a really, really pretty look. So I will put everything below that I used. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love filming these videos. I love sharing different ways to, apply makeup. My biggest takeaway from I hope that this is like one of the favorite things about how my skin looks. I just love how glowy it looks. And that little tip that I've shared that before. Look at how my cheeks look nice and lifted, and you see where the light is reflecting on there. Like, I didn't add any extra highlighter because my skin's already glowy. So you don't really have to add a highlighter all the time. I like to do that because I think it looks really, really pretty. This one, the Rose Glow, is actually supposed to be like a highlighter, so it's kind of like a blush with a highlighter, if you will. But it's really pretty. These are so pretty on the skin. So I'm going to tell you, these are so gorgeous on the skin. And those of you that purchased these on my recommendation, share in the comments. You guys know these are fabulous. They really, really are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I feel like any skin type can wear these. I really do. I just don't tend to wear these as much in the summer here in Florida because if you have oily skin and you live in Florida, you know the struggles. Okay, summertime, it's like you can't wear a lot, especially this stuff, because I will look like a grease ball. But this time of the year, I can wear it, and they're so pretty, and I love them. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on my next one.